Hey guys, Peter here and welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. Today we have something very exciting. What we have here is Realme's limited edition GT Neo 3 in collaboration with Masashi Kishimoto's ultra popular manga series, Naruto. Syempre, hindi lang ito simpleng Realme smartphone. In fact, besides all the theme features, this phone actually offers an insane 160 watts fast charging. Again, that's just insane! The sad part for us here is it won't be officially available in the Philippines. That's why the unit we have here is yung China version. Anyway, before we proceed, consider giving this video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech updates. Okay, wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. The kid in me is already excited to check out this phone. Giving a wow first impression, the Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto edition comes in this large shinobi scroll. Trivia lang, to those who do not know, shinobi means ninja because Naruto is a ninja, right? Anyway, it's crafted with a soft elastic material and a leather-like flap. You can actually unscroll it, but well, there's nothing in there. It's cute though. Sayang wala yung mga jutsu ni Naruto. Now, let's light out the package content. Immediately, we're greeted with the iconic red Uzumaki clan symbol embossed on this small orange and black box. Inside it, we get the paperwork and this cool shuriken SIM ejector tool. Underneath, we get the phone, followed by the clear case, this massive 160 watts orange power brick, and the USB-C to USB-C data and charging cable. Now let's check the phone. Right off the bat, there's no doubt that this is a well thought out design. We get a soft touch textured back in black, orange, and silver, or should I say metal with engraved licensing, the Leaf Village symbol, and the collab logos. The camera module is nicely made out of glass, just like the standard Neo 3. Upon a closer look, you can also notice a subtle tree-line texture on the black part of the back, which resembles Naruto's whisker marks from the nine-tailed fox. Okay, geeking out here. Looking at its display, similar to the standard model, we get a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen. And scrolling through this UI, this special edition wouldn't be complete without a Naruto theme. Fans would absolutely appreciate this. The sounds and icons are all customized, plus there are also 3 unique wallpapers available. Siyempre, if nagtataka kayo, pwede nyo pa rin gamitin yung original Realme theme if you prefer. Its hardware is basically similar to the classic Realme GT Neo 3, and that's a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 5G chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 256GB of internal storage. To those who do not know, Dimensity 8100 5G chip is a 5nm processor that could rival the performance of most high-end chips from last year. And what does that mean? Halimaw to, even sa gaming guys. Justine, our video editor and creator, also took its cameras for a quick spin, and here are some sample photos for you guys. Enjoy! So yeah, there you have it! What do you guys think of this Realme GT Neo 3 Naruto edition? Share ninyo naman sa comments. As usual, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and features. Again, this is Peter of GIZGUIDE.com and thank you so much for watching. Stay safe always and goodbye!